technology for beauty, and beauty for technology, well-being, health, beauty, softness, flexibility, modeling, reduction, firmness, revitalization. Nowadays, ultrasonic cavitation is possible thanks to Cavistar, avant-gardist technology at the service of aesthetic science, the safest choice, non-surgical liposculpture. It destroys adipocytes, compact ergonomic design, state-of-the-art software, intuitive interface, user-friendly and simple, ergonomic handpiece, a light handpiece for a comfortable application, multimedia material for training, constant software update, customized patient's protocols, the best result for each need, and integrating healthy treatment for the patient's body, destruction of fat cells through cavitation, fluids mobilization that favors drainage, modeling and reduction of corporal frame. Cavistar discharges ultrasound waves which penetrate into the organism, reach the subcutaneous cellular tissues, and produce cavitation of their fluids. The resulting physiologic effect of adipocytes fragmentation with the consequent diffusion of adipocytes lipid matrix. Health and well-being. Starbene places at your reach medicine cavitation and cosmetologic cavitation. Check more choices on www.starbene.com, where technology meets beauty. After performing the patient's exhaustive clinical records, a physical examination is carried on and the following parameters are measured: patient's weight, patient's height, and perimeter of the area to be treated. Fold measurements are obtained with a skin fold caliper. The area to be treated is selected and signaled with a dermographic pencil. After obtaining such information, parameters are recorded on the software. Cavistar automatically adjusts power, duration and mode of emission, pulsed or continuous emission. It also allows the professional to use a free work option. It is important to determine the patient's position for an appropriate application. Neutral gel is applied on the area of treatment. The fold is held and the handpiece is applied crosswise. Depending on each patient's sensitivity, the handpiece is placed on a fixed area during approximately 2 seconds and is millimetrically moved, covering the whole area to be treated. Ultrasound waves enter into the organism and reach the subcutaneous cellular tissues, producing their fluids cavitation. Alternation of mechanic waves produces the so-called microcavities or microbubbles in the fluid. As said phases repeat, microbubbles show an increase in quantity and progressive enlargement that causes their collapse and implosion, producing shock waves emission. Microbubbles collapse is produced by the strong pressure that the compression phases exert on the enlarged cavities. This process is named cavitation phenomenon. The resulting physiologic effect is adipocytes fragmentation with the ensuing diffusion of adipocytes lipid matrix. Output of adipocytes fat content results in emulsification. Furthermore, this phenomenon is produced without affecting tissues surrounding the area of treatment, such as veins, arteries, nerves, and fibrous tracts. Fat tissues, elasticity, and density specifically absorb ultrasound frequency produced by Cavistar 28 kHz. This action determines selectivity of the cavitation effect. Emulsified content is carried through the circulatory and lymphatic stream to the liver. The liver metabolizes the content to subsequently continue the organism's natural processes. This application is performed during 20 minutes on each area. After finishing treatment, remaining gel is removed. Session is recorded on the intelligence software, thus the professional can check previous sessions. Once treatment is finished, application of drainage techniques such as vacuum dermomobilization and radiofrequency, introduction of active principles through electroporation, controlled aerobic physical activity and electrostimulation are recommended to the patient. It is a non-surgical alternative for localized fat and cellulite treatments, as well as modeling and corporal reduction treatments. Bennett places at your reach medical cavitation and cosmetologic cavitation. Check more choices on www.starbennett.com. Where technology meets beauty.